Art is a ghost that hides in the edges of our mind. Painters have spent lifetimes looking for it, only to get lost in the darkness of their own minds. Philosophers have clawed at the cliffs of their thoughts, trying to grab it, but art is an idea far too vast to grasp. We seek art everywhere, but it is in ourselves where we are most likely to find traces of it. There we see the true meaning of art, and we realize art is a lover. Art is a kiss on the brain. First light is a whisper. The deeper the meaning, the softer the whisper. The weaker the light, the more it reveals. An aloe ignited the crimson-breasted shrike. The dull and the desperate will walk through flames, hoping to catch fire. When an eagle takes off, it does not climb into the air with feathery claws. There is far too much pride woven into the threads of its existence. When an eagle takes off, it pushes the whole world down with its wings and spins it around beneath its feet. This is not a snake, nor poisonous leaves. This is an abyss in the forest floor. This is the end of the future. On misty mornings, spider webs are useless, hanging like diamond jewelry from the wrists of trees. But as the sun rises, trees undress, and diamonds turn to horror. This is a rock arch in Namibia, we would say if asked. But what do we know? We are just a flickering blur in the scene as the mountain collapses. This is a 1 million years second. The crab's skeleton encapsulates its tasty flesh. It needs protection from the outside. Our skeletons are buried deep inside our bodies. We need protection from the inside. Like a shockwave, springbok flee in terror back and forth in this Kalahari riverbed among the dunes. For on the dunes sit the cheetahs like sphinxes on sand pyramids, gazing across their kingdom of slaves. Mist craves the taste of color. Foggy tongues lick the green from trees and red from flowers, until the earth is like a watery ice cream. This butterfly photographed an owl. We photographed a butterfly and printed it on the wings of a bird.